Hello everyone, Mike is here, and today I want to showcase you something really interesting. It's a sphere made out of voxels that is being generated through a script. So let's press the pause button and then the play button, and we will have a huge sphere over here that is empty inside, and you can see that it is pretty smooth. For a sphere made out of voxels, it's big. So I know that Unity has some problems generating big models, so I decided to break it into smaller ones. And actually, the interesting part is I am able to change, since the mesh is generated every frame, I am able to change the radius, for example, to 10. You can see it here. And now I can change the precision for the sphere right here. So I can make it bigger, blockier, and after some time it becomes shallow with holes. And if I keep increasing, it will turn into this very interesting ring with 6 holes. So let's turn it to 30. So you can see that everything is working perfectly. We have all the shadows and so on, and in general it looks very good. So I think it's very interesting. It definitely has some applications. For example, you can add, instead of a mesh collider, you can add a sphere collider. And then a rigid body. And then a plane. And if you start this thing, hopefully, yeah, you can see some movement. So it's just very slow. So you will be able to actually control everything and make it fall down and so on and so forth. So very interesting, I think. Definitely has a lot of applications in the future. And with enough work put into the sphere, you can even make it rounder if you write a different algorithm for handling edges and so on. That's it for now. Thank you. Goodbye.